We're so excited to get back to the Philippines. Lockdown's obviously delayed this trip for a number of years. Initially, when I last came to the Philippines, we had Lady here on her own. We now have a team of 13. So to finally catch up and meet our growing team face to face has been so exciting. The main reason for this is the one thing that rings true for both our client connections and our team connections is the relationship that we've got. And it was so important to get in amongst this team, build those relationships, build those connections to allow us to provide a better service to our clients.
Working with the PH team has been amazing for us. We couldn't have grown my business or the Birdie business without the guys to help support us. And working with them remotely is awesome. I find that we work from home a lot ourselves, so to be able to chat via Messenger and to jump on and video each other, there's no difference really working face to face or side by side as across the world from each other.
I've been with Birdie for 4 years. We've gradually been growing, and it's just so important to just meet face to face and grow that relationship, have a hug, have a drink, have a laugh.
Besides our team, obviously I don't know too much about the country, but it has far exceeded my expectations. Just how beautiful the country is, just how amazing diverse it is. Yeah, it's really actually surprised me a lot, and I've really thoroughly enjoyed it.
I think whenever you're managing a remote team, it's no different to managing a team in-house, and I think that's important for other owners to understand, is that they should be treated exactly the same as if they're sitting alongside you. So we need to invest time into training. We need to make sure that we understand how their lives are going outside of work. We need to make sure that we're rewarding them and showing how much we appreciate their hard work, just the same as they're sitting right next to us.